How to use Fiverr for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use Fiverr. So let's get started. First of all, you have to search for fiverr.com. At the top left corner you can see the logo, this one. Just go to their official site and it will look like this. Okay, now from here at the top left corner you can see join or sign in. So if you're completely new, you can simply tap onto join and you can create a new account using your Google account, your email account, your Apple ID, or even your Facebook account. Just choose your preferred one and then tap onto login. For now, I'm gonna choose continue with Google. So let me simply tap onto it, and then you just have to tap onto your Google account and then tap continue. So there we go, we have almost logged in. Now you have to enter your name here. You have to choose a username for you. For example, I'm gonna tap onto John. Let can we use okay. Okay, let me just change it, John. Okay, now let's create my account. So there we go, this is as simple as that. Your Fiverr account is created. Now you have to answer some basic questions. For example, what brings you to Fiverr? You have to answer like if you're a client or a freelancer. I'm assuming that you are a freelancer, so I'm just tap onto I'm a freelancer, then I'm gonna tap onto next. Now you can skip these questions if you want, or also you can just answer these questions and then you have to tap next. Now you can also enter your freelancing experience and all this. Just finish it and then you can complete your freelance profile from here, or you can start exploring. So now let's complete our freelancer profile. Otherwise it will not look professional and Fiverr will think that it's a spam ID and it can ban your ID very easily. So now tap on to continue. After clicking on to continue, just keep tapping on to continue, and there we go. Now you have to enter your full name right here. Just enter your full name, then you have to enter your display name, for example like this. Now you have to enter your profile picture. So just click a professional profile pic and then upload it to your Fiverr account. For now I'm just gonna choose a random one. Let me find one. Let me scroll down. Okay, so I think this one is okay. Let's tap on to open. I'm just showing you for example, so that's why I'm not creating that much professional account. Now you have to enter descriptions. You have to enter your description like what you are passionate about, like, or what services do you provide. So for example, you provide digital marketing services. So just simply tap onto digital marketing and describe your services and jobs. And if you don't have any previous experience, that what should you talk about, like what should you write about on your description, you can just simply head over to ChatGPT and write a prompt. It So let's write a prompt it to you. Let's write me a perfect prompt for Fiverr account description, as I am a digital marketer. So now let's send it to chat gpt and it will create a professional description. So like this, you just have to copy the whole text and then paste it to Fiverr. This is as simple as that. Just paste it to Fiverr. So there we go. Now let's add languages right here. Let me cut this ones. Okay, now you can add languages. For example, if you have any other um expertise on languages except English, you can add that. And if you just know English, then you can add English, then you can enter your language level. For me, I'm gonna tap onto fluent. So there we go. You can also add more languages if you wish to by clicking onto add new. You can choose languages. For example, I'm gonna choose Finnish from here. So let me choose Finnish. Okay, there we go. Now that's it. If you want, you can add more languages and language labels like this, and then you can tap on to continue. But before that, make sure you add that. Now tap continue. Now you have to enter your occupation. You have to select your occupation, that what services do you provide. For example, graphics design, writing and translation, and a lot more. But for now, I'm gonna tap onto digital marketing as I am providing that type of services right now. And you have to enter your years, like your experience, like from when you started digital marketing. For me, I'm gonna tap on to 2019 and I'm gonna tap on to 2025. Okay, now you have to choose to five of your best skills in digital marketing. You can choose from 2 to 5 of your best skills in digital marketing. For example, I'm gonna tap on affiliate marketing. Then I'm gonna tap on to e-commerce marketing, marketing strategy, and influencer marketing. Also, I'm going to tap onto social media marketing. So that's it, I think. And you can also add more skills if you wish to. For example, there are other niches available: video and animation, graphics designing, lifestyle photography, etc. You can just choose them and add more skills if you wish to, but for now I'm going to delete that. Now from on the skills here, you can add your skills. You just can type your skills. So I'm just adding a random skills right here. Then you can enter your experience level and then you can add it. Now you can choose your education level, your university name, your title, your major, and year, etc. And then you can add it. You can add your certification. You can type in your certificate or award certified from where you can add them. Also you can add your, and if you have a website, you can tap onto your website link. You can copy the website link and then paste it to Fiverr, then you can tap continue. So there we go. Now you have to enter your phone number. If you wish to, you can add your phone number, then you can tap continue. I will suggest you to add a phone number to make your account more professional. And lastly, there we go. Now, as you can see, I'm ready to start selling on Fiverr. Then tap on to create a gig, or also you can tap on to join now option. You can enter your gig title, your category, your search tags if you wish to. And then you can save and continue. You can add your pricing, your description and facts, your requirements, gallery publish. For example, I'm just adding random names, and let me add a select category. Now let me add some positive keywords so that this is like SEO in Fiverr, so that people can find you easily. Now let's check out this icon. Now tap on to save and continue, and from there wait, let me type something. So that's it. Now let's tap on to save and continue. Okay, so let me add just random. Okay, maybe it's now let's see. There we go. You can enter your file format also, then just save and continue. Wait, let me add a tag. Then you can save it and continue, and then after then you can enter all your pricing, description, etc. So that's it. Now let me show you how your profile looks like. Here you can go to your profile and you can check out your profile. And if you want to become a seller, you can just tap on to become a seller, and you can start selling on Fiverr as I just showed you earlier. So that's pretty much it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, and make sure to follow all the prompts perfectly. See you until another video. And from here, you just have to enter your card numbers, and then you can add details and finish.